It's Adam here with the highest return coming at you. Well, it's been an interesting Monday, to say the least. Welcome to February. Now, I'd like to talk about what happened and some of the feedback I've gotten on my last video. So, my last video, I mentioned AMC was being pushed, and I also mentioned that silver has gotten some attention on Reddit, which was true. There was a Reddit post, and I'll link it in the description of this video, talking about the next squeeze being silver. Now, a lot of people have said that that is just a corporate shill trying to divert the game, and maybe it was. But the bottom line is that silver outperformed GameStop and AMC today. So the name of the channel, the name of the page, name of the group, it's called The Highest Return for a reason. I'm not trying to embark on any sort of holy war. I'm not purchasing out of spite. I'm purchasing based on what I think will get the highest return. Just keep that in mind. If you are interested in sort of just sticking with the Reddit dogma, then go ahead and leave the page and channel and join Wall Street Bets on Reddit if you can. They're pretty selective these days. But let's talk about it from a holistic point of view. So, do I think AMC still has potential? Yes, I do. Look at the multi-year chart. You'll see that AMC was trading in the 30s a few years ago and potentially could do so again, especially if these Redditors and investors put their money not only in the stocks, but actually into the company by buying tickets and actually supporting the revenue growth of that company. In terms of silver, like I said in the last video, I thought it would go to 50 eventually. Here's the plug where I need to say I'm not a financial advisor, and so anything I say here is just for educational and entertainment purposes only. Let's talk about silver real quick. So you'll see in my hand here, I have, what is this? It's got some codes on it. Looks pretty fancy. This is a silver coin right here. It's a silver coin made to look like a Litecoin. Litecoin, the reason why I wanted this old Litecoin shirt I had is because Litecoin was supposed to be the silver of crypto, and Bitcoin was the gold of crypto. So if they are sharing anything in common, it'd be funny to see if Litecoin goes up like silver. It's a far-fetched idea, but maybe. So silver is an industrial metal. It's highly conductive. It does oxidize. So, if you've ever had silverware or actual silverware or had silver bars out in the open that you don't keep sealed, you'll notice they start to decolor, and you can pretty much fix that by rubbing some toothpaste on it and brushing your silver like you would a toothpaste. Don't do that with collectible coins because it actually does micro abrasions all over the silver, so collectors will not like that. But if you just have a hunk of silver, like a silver bar or something, hanging out, it's pretty easy to clean and make shiny again. So I'm going to put the link to the Reddit post I saw talking about the silver squeeze, just so you understand where I was coming from with that last video. Again, don't be upset. I still have like 700 or so AMC shares. I wrote some call options for some of them, and then actually bought back the call options today. So I'd written a $20 call option that expires on Friday, and I ended up buying that back today for a large profit because it didn't go up as some of the people planned. But I'm also stuck. So these shares I actually purchased when they were $4 per share. So I thought that 7 would be an adequate profit from 4 to 7. That would be pretty amazing. So I actually wrote call options on some other shares with a strike price of $7, which expire the end of next month. So I'm sort of regretting that, but it's fine. In terms of BlackBerry, I have 500 shares of BlackBerry. I don't have any call options on those at the moment. Nokia, I think I have like 233 shares of Nokia. But these are, you don't want to miss the rocket if it does indeed go up. So I'm just trying to stay tuned with what's happening out there. Watching not only Wall Street Bets, but watching other Facebook groups, getting other ideas from a variety of people. So, and kudos to whoever suggested SNDL. That went up 40% today. So I was pretty happy about that. Thank you for that recommendation. And if you were the one putting the recommendation, just put it in the comments there. But yeah, just it's another day. You know, I don't know what tomorrow holds, but I think I'm pretty optimistic. And in terms of the people that are super anti-silver, the ones that say, "Oh, Citadel is holding silver, and it's going to drive it down," to cover their short positions. They may sell SLV, but that's not going to move the price down all the way. The people that say silver is going to become worthless, that's just baloney. Silver hasn't been worthless for thousands, probably, tens of thousands of years. It hasn't ever been worthless for pretty much. I mean, aluminum was worthless at one point in time, but I can't think of a time. Silver is a biblical metal that's had value since biblical times. So, anyways, this has been Adam with the Highest Return. Thanks for watching this far. If you aren't part of the page, go ahead and like the page. And if you want to join the group, go ahead and click on the group link under the page and request to join. Make sure you answer the questions about how much risk you're willing to take with investments, and you should get approved. Anyways, Adam's the Highest Return, just leaving you with that.